Hi Geminis, Happy New Year. And this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute in Finite Healing. This is a video for you where we will understand how the year 2023 will be for you. So what I have decided this time is I will be picking cards for each and every month so that I can tell you the trailer for each and every month. I know you've seen my videos, my monthly videos. So this time I thought I will make a yearly video. All right. So let me see what I could do. Right. Perfect. Lovely. So let me see what is going to happen in January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay. So January will start a little money wise good, but you will feel that uh, things are not as expected as you thought. Again, I repeat that you will think that things are not how you wanted them to be. So it's a miser card. The card is a miser card. So you will feel like a miser even if you have everything. So I just tell you that there's no need, absolutely no need to feel insecure about money. Everything is perfect, everything is nice. You just have to be, see, money is a very brainy thing. Everything is in your head. Money is man-made. So if you're secure in your brain, you're secure outside. If you're poor in your brain, you're poor outside. Right, but you should look up to February for sure, Geminis, because there is a genie card. If you can download this card from the internet and start meditating with it, how to meditate, please ask in the comment box or contact us. There's a way, there's a nice ritual to meditate with this card to attract whatever you want. So what the genie says, Jo hukum mere aaka. So you would definitely attract whatever you want in life. And February is like universe is very happy with you, and universe will bless you with everything that you need. Again, the January card is bothering me because you might again feel that, oh, I wanted 4 and I just got 3. I have met people who are like, my son just got 99.9% in his exams. But that's a perception. That's what I mean. All right. You have everything in your life and you just need to be secure in his head, in your head. But the genie card will help you. The February is something to just manifest. Ask and it will be given. Right. Uh, March. March, if you want to start with any government work or anything legal or anything where any long pending thing, right from your Aadhaar card upgradation to your PAN card to you making some bank accounts or anything where the government is concerned, this is the time. You better do that. You have a you'll have a good time and काम ऐसे हो जाएगा. So yes, that's about March. April, take care of your health. Really take care of your health, okay? So I would really suggest you to wear a carnelian. Yeah, it's a carnelian. Carnelian. Start wearing it since January only, so that it is already, the carnelian already soaks that energy. It might break, it might get lost, so that the carnelian takes that energy. And I always say, I am reading what is there. Whatever you have manifested, whatever you have thought by now, this is what is your future due to those thoughts. Now you change the thoughts and you come to me for another reading. These cards will change, and they ought to change. If the cards do not change, means you're the same person. You've not learned your lesson. And the cards, by the way, they come same. All right. April, take care of your health. May, you will toggle in 2 situations, especially relating to money. Again, I am telling you, January itself, you change your money perception, all this thing will be taken care of. You might have to give money to 2 families, 2 people. Your money will be scattered and a little mismanagement might happen. But this is just for a month. I always say my readings are for that month. So, and it's just a trailer. So I don't mean to say that that's going to ruin anything. June, you will get help, spiritual help, and human form. So when I say spiritual help, is just like some angel coming or some thought coming or miracles happening. Here I am saying you will get help in a human form, some feminine energy from the age group of say 40 to 60 will help you. And feminine energy is not always a female. A male also can have uh, feminine energy. So watch out. I've given you the age group as well. Do let me know in the comment section when all these things happen, and do let me know how you feel. Yeah, June. July is party time. There'll be something really nice in your life, and there'll be some celebration, someone's birthday or someone's marriage, maybe some good news like exams results or whatever. So it's a good time. July is a good time. Party. Uh, just don't over party. So even if you got your results, there's time to take your admissions. Don't keep over party. Right. August will be more like fame. So wherever you go, like maybe picnics or parties, or you'll be very famous. There will be people talking about you. There will be people wanting you. You'll be very appreciated. And when I say appreciated, it could be an increment or anything, or maybe your name will be promoted. You'll shine. All right. August. September again shows a break period. So 2023 overall shows for Geminis that you might go through health concerns majorly. Okay, the trailer of the whole year shows that there might be certain health concerns. So again, wear a carnelian. Your thoughts should be fine so that you do not attract. We always say that in your aura, looking at your aura 6 months prior, we understand what kind of health issues can come to you. So for that also you can consult us. Let me see again it shows in September's a certain kind of a break health की वजह से. So let's see. October is good. Whatever you're expecting, you will get in October. October is a very nice thing. Just a little delay in whatever you're expecting. If you're expecting by 7th, you will get it by 14th. That's it. November. Some person who's a buzurg, who is elderly, alright, might be an area of concern. Again, health, I am getting that intuition. Overall, this is all about your health or someone else's health, I guess. But your money is fine, your career is fine. Relations are also fine, let me tell you. Because if these three things go for a toss, oh my god. So someone you might be required, you might be requiring to take care of someone who is elderly, especially above 60. And it shows a male energy. Again, male energy is what I told you. It could be a female having a male energy as well. Some masculine energy, person above 60, elderly, you need to take care of their health. Alright. And December is good. See, everything overall is very good unless the health part. But in December, I would just like to advise that do not rush, do not hurry to any kind of conclusions, and do not take any risks. Okay? So even with health, do not take any risks. That someone tells, okay, start taking these tablets. Please consult a doctor and then start. Even vitamins for that matter. People just feel, yeah, now I'm maybe 30, I should start taking my vitamins, or I should start taking my calcium, or I should start taking my D vitamin or whatever. But boss, most of the times you need to check if actually your D vitamin is down. Alright, so these risks are not to be taken. I hope you understood what I said, and I hope you, for tarot, it's for me, the tarot is like a GPS system where you actually know what's coming up. So then you can decide which road to take. So I've given you the GPS for 2023 Geminis. I hope you all liked it, and please share this video with with your co-zodiac people and all the other videos also, uh, so that everyone gets help. All right. Take care and have a great year. Bye. See you.